Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting fast. Sign into your Apple ID or Google account on another device. This gives you remote control. Once signed in, use Find My or Find My device to mark the phone as lost and enable remote lock. This prevents access while showing a contact message. Simultaneously call your carrier to suspend service so no calls or data run up charges. These first actions stop further compromise and buy time. Make sure to note the IMEI or serial for the next steps. Once the device is locked, decide on erasing. If you believe recovery is unlikely, trigger remote erase. Remember, this prevents future tracking. Next, contact your carrier to request an IMEI block so the device cannot roam on networks. Provide the serial for enforcement. File a police report with the IMEI and time details to aid recovery and insurance claims. Meanwhile, change passwords for email, banking, and any accounts using that phone for two-factor authentication to cut off attacker access. You finish by confirming actions. Check with your carrier that the IMEI is blacklisted and the SIM is deactivated. Ask for reference numbers. Restore a new phone from cloud backup only after you change critical passwords and ensure 2FA is secure, because backups can reintroduce compromised data. Notify contacts about potential phishing attempts from your number. Troubleshooting tip: if the carrier won't block the IMEI, escalate to their fraud department and supply the police report. This forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.